Caw, caw, caw. What's up, G-Man?
Oh, so wrong. So incredibly wrong. This is such a wrong thing to do. They're damaged. This is wrong. And now messy. This is terrible. Oh, this is wrong in many levels. This is wrong. What are you laughing at? I can't believe you've fallen down laughing at this. Where's the rest of the witnesses?
They don't have the dedication we do.
That's awful.
That worked out so well.